if bengadictate into lokubhema prison like I could kill you for uphisa ugwayi. Smuggling got me to a person that bengazi ukuthi ngaba umuntu. The person low only hatred, full of envy and everything. Aqala ke singaqala nyajontshe nje. Started stealing ntshontshe izinto zabantu ukuthi maintain le habit. The life le bengiphila ngaphandle, I'm starting to live it ngaphakathi eprison. The life of hatred, impilo ukuthi noma yini, impilo ukuthi angifatile. Qala ukuyiphila eprison. Start ukwenza izinto ezinegative. Aqala ngakauza kakhulu ejele ngaba i-addict because I was believing ukuthi the more ngibhekene ejele is the more stress sentence yami siba less. But kuphi it was becoming worse and growing more big into changing me into a bad person, evil person. Ngingaphisana ngento zami zokubhema, but I could go to other people ngicela into zokubhema. So I had manje ukuthi ngitshontshe, ngiqamba amanga, ngidubula abantu. Like ukudubula abantu is when you give me your money ukuthi I must go fetch you some stuff somewhere. Then mina I come with stories mangiwe ukuthi maybe I lost the money or the person that I gave the money to he ran away or something. So kwayenzakala ukuthi manje singaqala ngizondana nemost ejele lonke. I started to have many enemies than abantu abangithanda abaningi. Started ukuthi ngiyadisrespecta ngamaphoyisa labo bangithembile ukuthi as a good child ngizoshintsha kube umuntu ongcono living. But you don't realize ukuthi this is not the kind of life engifuna for impilo yami yonke, because I might sometimes find myself ukuthi ngiphumela ejele ngisidumbu. I stole a watch from the other guy bengihlala naye city. Okay, this guy, he was a white guy. We know ukuthi in prison when you are staying with a white guy, you are in everything, you have everything that you need. On that night, I will never forget it. Yabo. Ayizakala ukuthi manje la sesigqina manje ngihleke sidonselana amazwezo. Yabo. Okay, this guy is best like bangathele mfethu you have to give us your watch in order ukuthi you will replace the other one by paying $50. So I started to refuse. Yabo, I started clashing here, man. Yabo, lento ane white guy lefuna ukungizela ngobuso trying to fight with me. So because I don't want to be maybe ngithathelwe phansi or isithini samself, I wanted to stand up for myself. And when I put my fast, okay, it happened with the other guys, they are going to fetch the lockers. A locker. You see a locker, you just put it in a socks, then you tie it to want to beat me with it maybe on my head. So I stepped into the bathroom. When I went to the bathroom, the police was. I took my first slap and repeat on my head. I started to break the window and put the window on the city. When I entered by the cell, I told the guy, come. So the cell members, they tried to separate that, guys, don't do this. Even the white guy man started to shake. Yeah, one of the things that is happening, man, it's worse. Because now I'm a pleader, the window in Kavati, there's somehow is again, the same Kavati in a plead. And then it's Barcelona, normally, that day the devil was in control over my life. I was telling myself, whoever comes closer to me, I'm finishing the person. Because of the hatred and everything that was in control over me, which is with man, no man.